Hello. A very quick one to Mr. Albert Obaze. See, my brother, this will not be the time for say maybe we'll deceive ourselves. If you not get better thing to talk, not they come on live video, come begin the like they talk. You not be the governor, and you not be the whole Edo State people. You'd be one of the Edo youth. You'll be one of the Edo citizens. You can't be everybody. If you know so, you will not hide anything. If you will not the fear, as the people begin to look for the warehouse, people don't share the palliative finish. When I don't share the palliative, we belong to the people COVID-19 palliative. Now we don't see maybe the whole other state now. Lagos they don't finally see their own warehouse, the state warehouse. They don't see all the food where they keep for there. The Calabar follow the same thing they do, and they go look for their own state warehouse. Then see where they see keep all those palliative. They don't see break and all those people don't see loot their own. Then now you don't fear. You don't fear for those state. Why it be say maybe una just dey wicked like this? Why it be so na your day wicked? You just prefer say maybe only una dey see dey eat. For example, now may I ask you one thing. If you dey broke now, you don't see anything eat, you don't see money put for your children, your wife table. Maybe you will go meet governor, beg and make it give you some of those things we not keep for them. And the stupid man I go give you because na him move pass. You just want, maybe you just live for the rest of your life where you not even like stress say you want to look for something where you want eat. Meanwhile, you not work for that thing. The why others then go they suffer. They not go see something eat. Food where maybe belong to the cities, food where belong to the whole Edo State. Una go keep on for one place. Now una the chance una don't share the food. Now give people COVID-19 palliative. We gonna not give them anything. Only two indomie wanna see share give some part. Una soon I don't share the whole thing, the whole food finish. And that food reach to reach everybody hand. Imagine this kind of life we say maybe our people get. And now come begin they say, now go see they see some youth way go see they clap for some of this governor. Now we make we they talk say. Now we don't need to say maybe we want to get information from anybody where they in Nigeria. Say maybe we they in the diaspora. We come they like they gather information from them. They will come they tell us. We know what to make us come up for house. And that thing we can see say maybe the difference they for year. Now that difference now we go to use to they preach they give our people. We don't need to call anybody begin come they ask them for information because all those people they are demons. If one of them fix the road, enter reach where that government did, we just say maybe we not carry everybody along. Those one go compromise. Mr. Albert, I see you really disappoint me this time. If you don't get anything to talk, why you not stay for your house? Maybe stay inside. Have you God to punish you? Have you God want punish you? Eh? Why you go come and begin to like they talk anyhow? Begin they talk anyhow. Say the warehouse with the technical road. Say maybe not be COVID-19 palliative day inside though. Not be there day. So you feel use your man they talk say not be there day. Evil day at all. Now you use that statement tell me that is evil day at all. But not be una they talk when I don't share and finish. You say na chloroquine na paracetamol na dey there. Na chloroquine na paracetamol na dey there. If na chloroquine na paracetamol, if na medicine na dey there, why be say Obafeki not distribute the old drug go give hospitals? Why not distribute the old drugs go give hospital? Now you come and begin to talk anyhow. If the people go there, they go scatter the warehouse. Then see say na fensic, na paracetamol, na chloroquine, na dey inside. They go leave on. But make people go there. If all the adult youth, anywhere wanna dey, any house wanna say no, say it belong to the state governor. Say na where they keep something. More now bust down. Make una bust am even if una no carry the food. My own na to just say make una carry the food. Una pour, una set fire for the food. Make una no eat am. Make una set fire. Make everything burn. Make everything burn. You go come out here, come begin to deceive people. You just want everything wey belong to the whole state, make it belong to some few of una. Now say maybe that this see where would they campaign? Where would they campaign? We say make they vote for Obaseki. We say make they vote for Obaseki. No, we say maybe Obaseki get one thing wey be say he do for me or he do for my family or he do for any of those citizens self. We just know say the other camp where they come now this one I see better pass. They say half bread is better than no. So that make we even that make person like me even support Obaseki. I don't say maybe Obaseki na be Messiah. What you Obaseki know? He dey crazy. Una go just carry wetin belong to the whole Edo state. The whole state. Lagos don't bust their own now. Where everybody, they can even soldiers, even custom, all of them, they carry for the food. And the food see this e no finish. Calabar now, e happen. They bust and they see keep all the palliative for one place. They not share am. Now Edo people now don't they look for their own. Wetin una wan use that food to do? Let me they ask. Wetin una wan use am to do? Now. The government na una property. Abad. Obaseki na the government na your property. Why you no go share COVID-19 palliative wey they give people? Why you no go share and give people? Why you go keep am for one place? I just dey very disappointed in Obaseki and in people wey dey follow you. See, if we want get things right for this country, we dey in the diaspora, we need to create state of awareness into our youth home. We need to create awareness. We need to pump sense into our youth mind, so that now then we don't need to call anybody make they pass information to us, because anybody wey you want call. Maybe we call this one don't hear our work. We say may look for another people. Then we go talk to them in group. Then we have them. We talk to them. So that they go know what they supposed to do. Not find one person will be say maybe in the name of say maybe this one they very popular for Edo, carry and come. Because if that one get opportunity to go work with the governor, he go compromise. So my Edo people, anywhere we on a day, that video where bad they do this morning, where they talk say make people not follow them, make them not do this one, make una share that video and make una start to rain curse on them. Make una continue to rain curse on them. All of them are fool, all of them are thief. Obaseki and the people, all of them are mumu. They be mumu. So thank you people.